Greetings everyone, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Today we're actually going to be doing exercise 3.16 from student B's perspective. Hold on, before you say a thing about this question, because I know it's a pretty straightforward question, most of you might think I should have given only a single solution. However, it seems like student B it seems like student B, he won something that is a bit more dynamic compared to student A's solution, right? Because student A only had a rectangle that is centered, a rectangle with a constant width and height. So student B, it seems like he wanna make our rectangle a bit more dynamic. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Again, you guys, this is not required on these exercises, but I'm doing it anyways. Okay. So let's just get on to it without any waste of time. Okay, it's 3_316 and then a B. Of course, we're doing it in the main method. Or in case you haven't checked out my question, here's the question. Write a program that displays a random coordinates in a rectangle. The rectangle is centered at 0, 0 with width that and height that. Okay. Okay, again, if you don't know what textbook is this is the textbook we're using, and I'll be leaving a link to it right on top of my main method. This is where I got this PDF. Just so you know, you guys, I'm not doing any marketing here. You can go to whichever website that works for you. It's not like this is the only one you can get this PDF from. You can pick whichever one you like. However, this is the one I found my own PDF from. Okay, so what is it we now do? Since we want to make our rectangle dynamic, of course we might want to read some of the things from a user. System.out.print, system.in, input.close, people are starting to sing now. As I told you guys, this is a community place. People, they come by, do different things, and right now they're singing. However, I hope it's not getting in our way, and if it does, I'm not gonna publish this video. Okay, what else will then do? Okay, basically student we wanna read system. I'm not gonna be commenting out this part, you guys. You know when to use comment and when not to, so I would not put any comments right here. Okay, I'll simply prompt the user to enter a rectangles width and height. So enter rectangles width and height. Okay, of course you need to store that on our variables, and I'll name them width and height. I don't even know what is it they sing, these people. However, I should respect that, because we all do what we love. So the fact that I am coding, it doesn't mean everyone has to code. I hope that's clear, folks. I cannot be pissed off just because these people are singing out there. Okay, let's get going. Let's keep riding our horse. So firstly, what I wanna check out first is whether or not my width is greater than 0. I mean, likewise for the height. Okay, and if that is the case, let me just take care of the else part first. If that is not the case, I'll simply go. This is pretty straight. This is a pretty straightforward stuff, folks. It is pretty straightforward. So that is a bit annoying. Okay, make sure, what I want to say is to go, make sure, I'm getting distracted by these people now. Make sure the width and the height are greater, are positive numbers. You can put whatever you like here. This will do it for me though. Okay, so that you guys can see. Okay, suppose our width and height are okay, then we'll then have x coordinates. We'll go math.random, multiply there with our width, right? And then what I will then do, oh, this is actually taking me back to my previous solution. I felt like I think I might have typecasted my no I didn't. I don't know, somehow I'm having this thought. It's like I typecasted my random x coordinate, but I didn't. Why? Because if I did, I wouldn't have had a number with a comma on my randomly generated x coordinates. Okay, method random, that we multiply that by width and then we add width over 2. In fact, we subtract width over 2. Of course, you can simply go times half. Let me just do so. I prefer working with the multiplication signs as opposed to division. Okay, y coordinate is equals to math.random, multiply that by our height, and then subtract height, multiply by 0.5. The idea here is we basically take in a random number from 0 to whatever our to whatever value our height has, right? So if we have in a height of 100, for instance, so we'll be getting a number from 0 to 100, and then we will have to subtract half of that height, so that we'll be having numbers from negative height over 2 to positive height over 2. Same thing applies for the width. We want numbers from negative height of width over 2 to positive width over 2. I hope everyone is clear there. Okay, what is it we then do? Of course, it's pretty straightforward. You'll simply go system.out.print. We'll simply go random point of xy is we go percentage 2. Of course, you can go 3 if you like to. Can leave any number of spaces we like. Then 3.2. Hey, those people are really annoying. I've gotta take off because I cannot continue working with them making noise. I promise this is gonna be the last video, folks. I'll be leaving in a moment. Immediately I finish up with this video, I'll try to find some place elsewhere. Okay, what is it I want to do? I want to go x coordinate, y coordinate. Okay, did I misspell my coordinates? Of course I did. It has to be printf. Let's see what we get. Of course, you can play around with this and try to get, let's just go 400. Of course, you can play around with this, and then of course you can play around with this and try to play around with our center, or we can perhaps randomly pick a place where we actually put our rectangle, and then perhaps randomly pick a width or a height, or take it from the user as we did right here. I mean, there's tons of things you can do, like basically two. I mean, I can't be exact. I can exaggerate sometimes, I know myself. So this should be it for this tutorial, guys. I thought I was gonna give another solution on this exercise. It seems like I shouldn't. Why? I gotta leave. These people are making noise right now. And another thing, I just told you guys, you can play around with your center of your rectangle however you like. So that should be it for this video, you guys. See you on the next one when we do exercise 3.17. Cheers, I'm gone.